Magandang gabi mga lods. Dito tayo ngayon sa Pixel Basketball Court na third practice ng Team Coyotes. Yan. Kahit masakit pa natin, narga. Ngayon sila, marami-rami sila ngayon. Yan. Aray ko. Ito yung point guard. This is Sir from US. Okay, kami. It's okay. Best player, this one too. Best player. Let's go. Okay, 3-man waves. Let's go. Okay, coach, 3-man waves, 3-man waves.
Okay, go ahead.
20. What? Let's go, sir. 3-man waves. 3-man waves. You know 3-man waves?
Sorry?
3-man wave.
3-man.
3-man wave. Okay, hindi na po na